We are officially live. Hello, Penguin Operator. How are you?
Cheesecake, I don't know. I don't see where you need this function actually. Why do I need the gradient of the density? It's like,
There we go.
am I dumb? I just like heals it or something?
So we're gonna do tooltip, load daemon new model, and do some textures and fix the can. Well, it's actually the can texture that we'll be working on. But at least that, and then we'll look into doing a few more things over here. But let's get started with this thing, tooltip. Okay, let's start with tooltip. It's pretty simple. Let's just start up our server, and then we'll start up a client. There. Because I'm thinking that when you hover over here, let's see, I will take this one. Put your mouse over there. Good for put to tab to trigger the displaying of a that. But let's just do this. Go to the HUD and then what we could actually do here is the same thing. But let's see, we do already do this for here. I do not provide a name for this thing. No, I do not. I think this one is the one that needs the name. So let's give it a name also. We can access it. Let's give it a UI print, and we'll provide it with the name. So T, the tag of this thing. These nuts ink. This looks nice, but also, how long have you been working on it? I think it's over 9 months now, but we restarted like 6 months ago or something, maybe 3 months, I don't know, 5 months ago. A complete wipe, and yeah. But yeah, okay, we'll take in the item kind in here. King, yes. And then wait. We'll see how this will look. We'll do that. That's the name. No, I cannot provide that name. I need to do. Oh wait.
What are you doing right now? Because
I'm gonna do
there's the
a
next
tooltip
step.
for the thingy. We could actually for the DD. You can also do the same thing for the. We could do text real quick also to try it out, just to see this thing is actually here. Boom, let's say that. And do I have one parenthesis too many or too little? I do not have a dot enough. Like so. Let's see if it text found you 8. Yeah, right. I need to do data, and then the color should be fine. Yeah, damage. Yeah, it says damage. So we're going with damage, and then we could do here, we add that, and then what we could do is that here we could actually add it like this. If UI is hot is active. Hot, no, it's hot is what I want. I should rename these ones to better naming conventions. I just took this from Casey. I'm blaming Casey for this. No, I watched one of his talks about how to do immediate mode UI, and then I was like, yeah, it's hot, it's active, probably good. I would like to call him press and hovered, but yeah, it's Casey's fault, alright. So if this is hot, then we will do this. Else we will do null. So. Maybe I should put some extra, because that's, yeah, so now if I put my mouse on it, it should show me the, basically a tooltip. That's a beautiful, I don't know what number that is, but it's a D. I think I broke something else. It should tell me the count of the thing, let's see. A? A? Nah, I definitely broke something now. Is this gonna be M? No, it had Oh shit. Hmm. Okay, interesting. Because that shouldn't be... Let me see. Amount text. It just comes from here anyways. And it should be fine. Do I use the same, wait. UI print, because I just do it. Self, I have a writer buffer. Right, if I do a UI print, that won't be the same any longer after I'm done.
Yo.
Yo, what's up?
No.
Did you change the thing?
The what thing? Oh no, that thing. I haven't changed it yet. I'm actually, wait, let me put that change
Holy cheesecake. I flew so hard.
or 4 items. I'm gonna see
It's
that.
still red. Wow.
What that? And I will do it in a bit. Let me just first.
All right.
Let's see. We have amount text, which is, yeah. That's actually quite interesting. That I can actually run into a problem with that. But maybe I should rethink this design, because that's, if I do this, then I think it's already wrong. I mean, I could do the same thing where I just append it and then I will just return. So UI print would always return something that would be valid either way. Maybe that would be better. So instead of doing a temporary little buffer that we always override, we would do the same thing that we do for the... We have this text buffer. So we could do another, we could make that as large, and then we would increase the len, and we could also use that as a print, and then we could never, well, never is but to overestimate, but we could just use that. Or I could rethink the design a little bit. I'm gonna put that on to fix the, I will think about it. Print buffer, or a better design. And then I will just put that there. Well, I think I could just do the same thing. I could just make it big, and then I could just reuse it. Why not just do that? And I can't fuck it up, and if I do, then it will crash, and I will know. I think that's... Why not? Why not just do it like that? Because I kind of would like to always, when it gives me something, I would like to assume that this is safe to use no matter what I do. Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. I need to close the client if I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna give it the same size. I think it's probably is fine. Then writer len size 0. And then in here, when you get this thing, we will write, we'll not do a, could probably do, could I probably slice it to get the format? So could I probably do this from buffer, not self, writer len, to self writer len plus, but now I need to know the len of the damn fuck. Now this is actually just the return value that I need to store here. Ah, okay. Now I'm okay. But we can change this. We will call it, instead of this. This one can still be 256. That's fine. So let's do this. Finish this one 256, and then writer buffer, and then we'll call this writer return buffer. Text writer buffer. Ah, this is internal, and that one is also, but it's like the out storage, but whatever. We'll go with that. Yes, that sounds good. So we still write it in here, then we get it in here. Now the thing that we actually want to return is an @mem copy. Is this dumb? Nah, it's good enough. Destination will be ourself. Write the buffer out, and we want to put it inside self.writerlen to self.writerlen plus text.len, and then we want to take it from text. And that should actually just be, let me just do var out text, because this is gonna be a slice anyways. Or do I need to tell how much I want to get from that one, or will it understand just take the full thing? Because they should be there. And then I will say out text. And before I do that, I need to say self.writerlen plus equal to the text.len. Okay, const. Okay, let's see if that does the trick. Or does it crash and completely die? Okay, let's go and pick something up. See daisy, it died. And it died because... Right, I never reset the len. Let's see. Self.writerlen is equal to 0. So then we'll just put it back to 0. I hope this will be fine. Let's see. And let's pick up this little ham over here. Perfect. And now if I add backlist hard, I think that should be fine now, because now we can do the print multiple times and shouldn't overwrite it to garbage values. Yeah! Good. So now it says speed, it says damage there. Is it like... Actually what we could do is we could make it a little bit fancier, right? What we could do, because Yeah, I just want to make it a little bit fancier. We're gonna take this tooltip. It's gonna be a tooltip, all right? We're gonna take it down here, and we're gonna do a UI add. It's not gonna have a root parent, but it's gonna have. So that means we can put it anywhere. It doesn't. It's not attached or relative to anyone. And then we can put position offset, I guess. We will put it. Yeah. Oh, what? LSP, hello, good morning. What the fuck? Nah, okay. Okay, now, okay, good. Offset, there. It's gonna be equal to left. Do we have self mouse position? I think I passed them in actually. Wait, hold on, let me see. I should maybe do offset a mouse position option? Nah, that's maybe I should. So you could just say it, because is it often that you would like to have something in the mouse position and then you could just take it when you do the run? Let's take a look. I'll be back. All right, be back in a bit. Let's see here, because I'm thinking I could probably make it offset. Where do offset for the layout? Here. I could make it the I could make it a union. Yes, I could. But would we want that? Probably not. Because then you would have to do offset by mouse position. I'd rather just type it out manually, honestly. I'd rather just do that. That's just dumb. So we're gonna say mouse position. So for this is X, and then then top will be self.mouse position 1, and save that real quick and see how far we go. That's unuseful fun. Do I not take? Oh, I do not actually take in, but I do have access to UI, and UI should have access to the mouse. So let's take the UI instead. Let's see, what do I have? Mouse state, position. Oh, that's so much cleaner also. Oh my god. That's better. Actually, that's better. Holy shit, that's better. Mouse state, position. Oh, thank god, thank god. Woo. And missing field is probably the size, which we will actually do the self size, but fixed will be the. You kind of want now the tooltip, so let's store it. We need to do this for every single item. Yeah, and here we are going through every single item. So I can say const tooltip is equal to, and then we can get the tooltip text is equal to, and then how could I? Because okay, let's see. Because I think I got it in shared, the information about what they provide. Damn it. See, inventory, get speed here, get attributes. So I do provide this thing. Yeah. So if I have, but that's not item kind. Yeah, get attribute. Wait, let me see. Item kind get. Wow. Attribute. I swear to God, it's this thing. I just don't. My LSP is just super cooked. I do have the item kind, so it should be that. Let's put it down here so we can actually see. Did my computer just freeze or something? No, it's just. It kind of feels like it froze. After moving a window, you're joking. And like it's kind of frozen, but kind of not. Okay, I don't know. Now it's unfrozen. Ah, what the fuck? I think I'm cooking my my operating system is getting cooked. Okay, let's see. Attribute attribute values. So that we'll get the attribute values. That's just an attribute. Const attribute for attributes. And then we want to do the text for it. And this will return an attribute with all of those. So we could actually do a I could do a compile time here, because we will know all of those values during compile time. Tooltip text, yeah. So we could do 4. It's just attributes at what's it? It's type info. Right type reflect. But do I have to how can I do? I think it is something like this, but I need to provide the type. And then I would like to iterate over that and get its fields information. But I don't even need to make it. I think you could make it something like that, but I'm not that good with the compile time. But we can do something dumber, which is just saying h plus let's say just help, like so, just to see if it works the way I think it should work. And then we can say const. No, we don't need to do that. So when it asks for the size here, we can just say UI text size, passing in our tooltip text. Great. And then we'll pass in 32 and that. And this should only happen if, yeah, it's basically this if check I want to. So if,
Okay, guys, I gotta go now. Training.
take care, enjoy.
Yeah, see you later.
Bye bye.
Good luck.
So let's see, function name, get attribute values. In inventory item kind. It's in the kind, I need the item. This is just item, not the kind. Shared. But I feel like I should... No, I cannot. Yeah, I just need to do shared item kind. That item, I get attribute, and then I pass in item. Probably could make it a little bit better, but found, yeah, okay. And then here we'll expected indexable found. Shouldn't I be able to do this compile time? Oh, it's okay. I will just do a UI print. Now that we can do that also. More flexible. I will just do H, and then I will say this, and then I will do there. Attributes dot, and then health. And then found use size to expected UI layout found rendered. Yeah, come on, isn't that? Fixed. like so. So if I hover now, it should tell me the HP. No, it doesn't. That's great. Fuck. If item is hot, should give me the H. Yeah, but there is no... I forgot that I don't have any kind of text. And then we don't need the null, we'll just do this. And we'll change this to be string. I will provide the Vulkan text. Yeah. There, it tells me how much. What the? Yeah, right, because that happens before. Ah, okay. Good, good, good. Another problem to solve. Let's see if we can find a oxygen tank somewhere. God damn it! No oxygen tank. Ah, I'm too lazy to go find one. Let me just go in here and change this to health item. Boom. Then we go back in here. Now I can press K to give myself a health item. Yeah, it tells me that I get. It should probably. Should it tell me the total value that it provides? It's a bit hard to know. It's a little bit of experimentation, I guess. Let's see, let's see, let's see. But also I should probably, if I want it to be in the right order, I kinda need to do it after we have done every single one of those. Or I would need to do some set indexing. Let me write it as texting, and I will do a I mean, I could do. I know I should be able to do it compile time because I got all of the information, but I don't know how. Let's see. How can I do this compile time per field of attributes? Probably understands what I mean, but like let me look at the get attributes. Yeah, do that. And tell them, because I'm pretty confident I should be able to do it in compile time. But I don't know, because is it I should also this thing I'm thinking, why not? Why do I have it in here when I could just do it here and then get that? Why? I'm thinking that I actually will do this real quick, because this would make more sense over here. I can do it inside of an E now, can't I? And I would just do this, and this would literally just be kind, and I could just do it on the item or the kind itself, because you kind of need the kind, so why not just do it like this? Let's see. Can I still run? No, good. Server crashes, and that's because we are using it like this, but I think we can change it. Yeah, let's go to item manager and fix that. Item manager. There it is. Because now we should be able to just do something nicer. Like item kind.get attributes, right? Yeah. That just looks better, in my humble opinion. I forgot. Yeah, and then we can go. Should probably here. Item kind. I find it a bit weird that you can actually do functions on Nina, but it's I guess it makes sense. And that's it. Now all of them are fixed. Now let's look at this thing. What did it suggest? How can I do this in compile time? Hot, const attribute, shared item, and then tip is this thing, and then inline 4 meta field, shared item attribute field, value field attribute. And then UI print. But how does that gives the field at the compile time inline for unrolls, and at field attribute reads the each of the name is comped, so it formats with S directly the names before the labels for free. Rebuilding tooltip through UI print works with your implementation. Each call copies into fresh slice of write buffer, so passing the previous results back in is safe. It recopies the previous. Couldn't you do the whole? Oh yeah, let's see. It's about trying shit, right? So we do the same thing. We do have this, and then this thing would become an empty one like that. Then inline 4 std meta fields, and of the type, which is from shared item attribute, and then we'll capture this is the field. So now we got each field, and then we can go to const value. Yeah, oh my god, at field, and then we have the attributes, and then the field name, like that. And that should give us the value. And if value is not 0, tooltip text is equal to UI print. We're gonna run out of those characters real fast. So we're gonna take the old string and the new string. Yeah. Tooltip text, field, name, value. Wait, hold on. What the fuck? Yeah, okay, so it was. But I don't even do anything with those new lines. That new line ain't even gonna. It's. Let's see what it does. I don't think I do handle new lines yet, so yeah. That should be pretty much it then. Let's check it out. Let's run a server again. And there's an error. Cannot assign const. Launch the server. And now I'm doing u const found const 8. Let me take a look. Expected type. Which part is that expecting that? Well, that should be fine. That is just a format string. Hell? Now I'm pretty confident that should be how it is. Depending on what's the actual thing that's wrong here, because what it says here, well, there should be a normal string there. That's how I do it also in here. What am I doing wrong? UI print string. Do I have a comma here? Rare. Let's see, I'm gonna put it back there. What the fuck? How expected they found? Ah, okay. Listing. Need to tell it. Const u8. And need a colon. Okay, let's see how bad this goes. Let's go pick up an item. And hover it. Yay! But yeah, it's just gonna tell how much those gives individually. I don't think. Let's see if you get to a point where it would make sense to do something else, but help 10. Attack speed. It's funny because they're all just going behind there. Oh my god. I mean, I could think about rendering order if I wanted to. Or I could give it a set index. I think set index is almost worse because then you would always have to think about that instead of actually just doing the order that they are in. We could do this instead, and we can actually do this same check. It's fine. It should hot reload, and now it should always be on top. I will get back to. I will think about this one. Checklist. Let's do the checklist instead. Add that, and then I will also think about set index. UI item to tip top hover needs right now a extra loop. Like so. Think about that, but yeah, I would say that's good enough for a tooltip. Is Iris here? No, Iris is gone. Okay, we'll do this later when he's here. Let's do texture from kind. I think I will do. Actually, we could do both of those in the same go, maybe. But let's see. We'll do. Let's see if I go to wrong place. I can actually do a dot tip commit tool tip. And then we can go into UI. I swear to God, did I? It's okay, whatever. Texture. But what? I remember I looked at this and I was like, I should add this, but now I'm like, from kind. Do a. Oh yeah, it was the same as doing Vulkan. I think you're doing the same thing here from kind and then just providing. But you probably wouldn't. No. But there would be a from. Because we do get the item in, and I would just tell it. Well, that's dumb. I don't think I need it. That's just dumb. I just realized. I don't know what I was thinking when I wrote this thing. We're not doing this one until I see it that I need it. Let's load the demon, which we will call something. I don't know what we call it yet. Let's see. I'm gonna start Blender. Where is my Steam library? And let's see, Blender. Launch that. And I think I got it somewhere. Wait, let me see. Where is Damon? Hello, penguin operator. Yippee! We'll load it in. Is it like this? Open. There it is. This is the thing that Damon worked on. And this will be our enemies. Now, oh, what the fuck? Help. How do I? Ah. Okay. Whatever. We got it. Skeleton looks a bit weird. But that's okay. Let's get in the animations. I don't know if I can just put this in here. We'll see. I will take just a movement. Just put it in here. Let's import that and see how that. I don't think they align that well. Let's see. No. Where was the animation thingy? There. Don't need that one. let's see. I will go in here and I want to open it. How do I open this one's animation shit? Rigid Porky. Add track. What? No. I want to add a whole like tracks add. No? Strip. I don't know what they're called. How do I get this one over here? Whoa, I didn't know you could duplicate like that. That's crazy. Can view options. How do I just add it? Ah. Okay. How do I add a rig to, what is it called? Non-linear animation. The non-linear animation in Blender. I got two rigged ribbon models in my Blender scene, but only one in.
Lizard, 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 lizard,
Lizard?
lizard, lizard, lizard.
Well, it's going for that. Blender add rig on non-linear animation. And to use some points, don't want to get too rich. Yeah, that's true. Your polyrigged armature has no animation data at all. That's why it doesn't show up in the NLA editor. A non-linear animation. Okay, then I only list objects that already have an action or track. Rig shows up because it has stack push down strip. To get Porky in the view in NLA editor, you will need to see an empty entry for it. Press Shift A. Well, that's not it, but it wants me to add action strip. So in here, but where is add? Duplicate, link, duplicate, delete, make, remove, toggle, make single user. Link action will duplicate your blah 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 blah, whatever. Add track. What? Move, scale, snap, split, duplicate, link, duplicate. Okay, never mind. Remove, bake action, apply, scale, clear, sync action, make single layer, start. Shift A. Or do I have to have it selected and then going Shift A? Add. Well, I don't see it. In the NLA editor, I am non-linear animation. You'll need now see an empty what? Select. Ah wait, that thing. Okay, so I got it selected. Press Shift A. Now it's an empty enter for it. No, I do not, but yeah, we will say that I do. And then it tells me to Shift A, add tracks, sure, above selected, yeah, do that. It doesn't do that. Or do I have to wait? No, it's the wrong thing. Oh my god, this is annoying. Ah, no? Still nothing. Got it selected, but there is no empty track, nor is there any add action strip, only scale. So our strip. So on strip. Strip. Nothing. Oh wait, there is a new one. Action. No, that's not what I meant. Ah, whatever. That's expected. Porky doesn't appear in NLA at all until it has animation data, so there's nothing to add strip. Let me just do it over connection and check the bones match. They are not. They're on newer blend with the slot. API adjusting. Only 1 out of 23 matches. The action won't move Porky. Let's see what Porky skeleton looks like. Well, I was thinking of maybe putting it inside what's it called, that Mixamo. Start opening Mixamo while this thing is doing its part. It's always such a hassle trying to get this to work. It's so dumb. It's not like code where you get a response immediately. You have to like fuck around every time. There we go. Let's see, what does it suggest now? A completely different skeleton, so this isn't just an LA problem. The Porky uses Rigify style name spine, right upper, while all 11 actions were made for Rig medium game style bones, hips, chest. Channels would land, the strip would play, but Porky wouldn't move. Why an LA shows nothing? Real Porky with its own action, with Porky selected in dope sheet action, edit new keyframe, animation, retarget animation on to Porky, needs a bone mapping retarget. Rocco Studio Live add-ons retargeting free, since names and hierarchy differ doable, but as a setup and proportion differs, so expect cleanup. If you just want Porky to show in NLA, yeah, it's called Porky here as a model, but let's see, animation Porky with its own action, with Porky selected in dope sheet action, edit new. But okay, we can probably just do this. I was hoping to be able to use the where do I have the actual enemy? I just have it stored as a blend file. We could export it. Export, I think it has to be FBX if you want to load it in. Tubloid is what it's gonna be called. Freaking fire name, am I right? Upload character. What? Okay, I can't do that. Let me just put it here. Quick. Select. Then I will go to projects. Enter Sigma, and we'll take. Where was it? Image, not images. Enemy. Select that. Boom. But where's the damn texture, huh? Doesn't seem to have gotten uploaded, but I guess we can do without. Because it has been uploaded, yes. But don't they directly map? Let me ask that. Does Mixamo animation map with the... what was it called? That's just vanilla. Pork uses rigify style names while the 11 actions are made for rig medium. Rig medium. Because then I could just use that. No, not directly. Mixamo Skeletons uses their own prefix names. Just the Porky mesh, no armature as FBX upload. Mixamo. Download their animation, already skinned to it. This replaces Porky current rig, but it's by far the least work. Retarget in Blender, Rocco. Yeah. Let's do idle. Wow, that's some crazy internet speed we got there. I just realized that let me do a re-export. Why does it add still the skeletons? Wait, can I rotate? No? Enable skeleton view. Reset camera. Toggle follow camera. What? No. I want to... do my own... Damn. Okay. Because I just want the... I don't want to do this. Yeah, I just want that. Yeah, that's what I want. Good. Let's redo this thing. Alright. Upload. Choose. Don't know why there's a blend 1 and blend 11, but there's multiple blends. How is it possible that... Okay, I thought already that this shouldn't be... Okay, next. Chin. About there. Wrists. About... Why is it on the wrong side, huh? Let's say there. Elbows. There. Knees. There. Groin. Okay, now I should be able to get this right. I mean, I could also just edit the... Up to 2 minutes. It's crazy, too much. Okay, boom. We got it. Yeah, whatever. Place that one. And I will do the new idle one. Let's see, we'll take something like... Oh, that's a pretty banger idle one, not gonna lie. Yeah, this one is it. This one is it. Then this one is it. This one is it. It is this one. Sure, download. We're putting it in projects. And just in here. Maybe we should do a separate folder for each type to what did I tuploid? I hope that's nothing weird with that. I'm just calling it that. And then what we can do in here is we can actually... I think I'm moving everything in here.
Hey, I'm Lucas. I like to make game engines. I'm so cool. Dude, look at me and my planet and my
Hello,
Ben
Damon.
Bozo. Oh, hey, Lucas.
Bozo.
Oh, look, who's that? You gonna give him some animations?
Yeah, I'm working on it right now.
Look at him. Dude, he's already rigged up, ready to go.
No, but you had the wrong rig, so I had to redo it.
What? No, the rig was fine.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't.
Nothing wrong with it. What are you talking about?
Now it's fine, though. It's called armature.
It was perfect. The rig was fine. Tabloid, nice.
So how is Dame?
I don't know. Just seeing what you guys are doing.
Oh, that's crazy.
What are you talking about? Did you connect the shoulders to the arms?
The shoulders?
Ah, man. Ah, why'd you ruin that rig, man? It was perfect. You just don't know, man. Dude, I got like thousands of hours in Blender. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
I don't know, man.
You're just fucking putting your shit into Mixamo and stealing the animation. So what does it even matter? Whatever, fuck it.
Well, did you think I was gonna make the animations myself?
Well, I thought maybe at one point you'd be like, oh, it'd be really cool if my character could do this, you know? And then you go through the Mixamo, like, 130 animations. You're like, it's not quite here. You know?
Yeah, you know.
Then you'll be begging for a rig that just, behaves.
Yeah.
I even did all the weight painting and everything. Oh, man, I had that shit perfect. So, like, when you tilt his head, I bet his eye pops the fuck out.
What?
Oh, wait, how many head no? I don't know. That was the one main issue that I fixed is if you tilt his head like really far back, the eye like pops out.
Ah. Yeah, no. I'm those Yeah, I mean then I would have to then do all custom handmade animations myself. That would just take too long. It's not that no.
What? No, I even checked Mixer mode, all hooked in and everything. You should have been good to go.
But they were like flying above the ground.
What were? What?
Yeah.
Do I gotta open up your stream and roll back?
Well, I mean, okay. Let me see again, because I swear to God they were flying above the ground. Because they're, if I go back to like here, they have like their bones there, so they flew up in the preview at least. What do you mean the? I don't see the eye popping out. You sure about the eye popping out? Damon? You there? Hello?
Oh, damn!
You
I
sh-
muted
you-
myself.
You sure about the eye popping out? I don't see it.
Because that's my fixed rig. It won't pop out because that's my rig. It's got my weight paint.
Oh, I thought it was supposed to pop out.
No, it does. That's my fixed one. It says Porky rigged.
Ah. Okay, well now I got yours.
Wait, what
back.
happened? What happened to you? What?
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened? Okay, well, okay, if you go to Mixamo,
And this
there
is
should
the.
be an option that
Wait, can I get probably?
you see the tips. You see the tips there.
Because-
that's
wait.
that's like a mix. That's
This-
a Mixamo feature you have toggled on.
Wait, but see. Okay, let's see. If I go here and I go to pose, I don't know. I don't see the eye popping out with Mixamo either.
Wait, what'd you do to my rig?
This is your rig. This is Mixamo.
Okay,
this one.
then. Okay, well then that's fine then. You just take the animation, put it over to my rig.
But it doesn't map. Does it?
Oh, yeah, it'll map. Why wouldn't it? It's the same. It's a 1-for-1. That's how it works.
I don't know. You have like 3
What?
bones per
What?
leg. This one only has 2.
Okay, so I don't know why it gave you the tips. Just delete the tips. That's maybe that was me that gave you the export, because like there's a option. Yeah, just delete the tips.
How do I delete the
The
tips?
one that says you just everywhere it's got a tip. You see the name where it says shin L_end. You just go to edit mode. You go to object first, object mode, and then edit mode. You should be able to just hold tab to do that.
Yeah.
Okay, but and then just delete the tips. X, yeah, just delete them. Delete them. And then same with the hands and the very tip head. Like that, I
Are you sure those
think
are
that might have
extra?
been my.
Those looks
Yeah,
like
those are extra. 100%. The
because
tips are extra.
Mixamo has a lot of those as well.
It doesn't matter. You just trust.
Trust me,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah, those bones don't do any. They don't deform anything. They're just like some random shit that we accidentally added.
okay.
Either I added it or you added it. And then same with for Mixamo as well. Yeah, those tips
Okay,
are.
but how do I now add an animation to Porky?
To Porky, okay, you go to the bottom left there, right there, that one, and then go to Dope Sheet, and then go where it says Dope Sheet.
I mean Dope
Where it
Sheet.
saz Dope Sheet.
Ah, you mean Dope Sheet?
Yeah, and then you go Action Editor. Okay, and then now click on Porky. Oh no, Control Z. Okay, now
Porky?
click Porky. All right, now don't click New, but do the one just like beside the new there. And then click one. And then oh, you're in edit mode. Get out of edit mode. Edit mode. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
But those
Controls,
these are other main other animations. These are
I
not
don't
the
know.
mix-
No.
this one.
You're back in edit mode. No. Cold. I don't know. Control Z. Control Z. Just wait now. Go out of object mode. I think. Now. Just now. Pick one.
But this one should be the Mixamo animation. That's
Okay. What about the NLA track that's beside the Mixamo one there?
NLA.
It says where it also says don't click no armature. Click that one. Yeah. No. You were right. You're right.
Oh.
Okay, give me a second here. It's fucking not this complicated, but it can be sometimes. It's just give me a second. I'm gonna.
Alright. He's doing something, guys.
Man, I was like, had my shit set up here for watching TV.
Ah, you were watching TV.
I was, but then I went to the store and bought a couple apples and some blueberries.
Oh, apples are good.
And I just finished eating them, and then
You know what they say? An apple a day keeps the doctor away.
oh, keeps the doctor away.
Yeah, it's for real funny, for real. No cap.
Fuck that doctor.
Hey yo.
Yeah. All right, so okay, so we'll go to my entire screen because I'm edgy like that. We'll go to Mixamo. Oh look who's still in there. All
Yeah,
right,
it's a guy.
Let's just do perfect. Download 30 seconds with skin. Alright, I should be able to. Yeah, easy as that.
Ah, I forgot actually. I have the. Let me just do this real quick. Because that one is actually from. But you didn't. You.
Yeah, I didn't give you these tips. So this is the original one here. See, like
Yeah.
now that I've imported and exported, it's like it's got the tips. But don't worry about the tips. They don't do anything. I promise you. See, it doesn't do anything. None of the tips do. It's. I think when I go to, if I go like this and then this, and I go export FBX. There's something here in the armature. Add leaf bones. That's the one that I accidentally had on. That's my bad.
Hmm.
Okay, so now we go to animation. We will get rid of non-linear animation. Turn this to action editor. Okay, so pick this guy. There you go. See?
I'm just gonna quickly, let's see, because I think I just exported it incorrectly. Let me try this. I'm just gonna close this real quick, don't save. And then I will open up Blender again. And then we can close that. The light doesn't really matter. Okay. And then I can
Look
say
at 'em.
this one. Tubloid. Tubloid? Yeah, we call them tubloids. Hope that's nothing, you know, sus.
You're fine. You're fine. You know.
I just need to Google tubloid real quick and see what I find.
Oh my god! It's
Okay,
it's
fine.
like you're gonna be naming your child. You're gonna be like, oh, I gotta make sure none of these names are copyrighted. Alex, John.
No, but the you know that not that tubloid means something like used inverted condom or something like that.
Mm.
That would be hilarious. Let's see, I'm gonna upload again. Uploading just a
looks
moment.
fine to me.
Looks fine to me. Yeah.
Look at that sassy walk. Ooh.
Error occurred on animate. Unknown error. Well, it didn't upload the skeleton, or did it? Or it did. I'm joking. It's just an error happened when it uploaded it. Error occurred on animate. Unknown error while generating motion. But
whatever. Screw it. Just pick one.
it doesn't work.
Just refresh the page.
Nah, it doesn't work.
Oh.
Did I delete one too many bones or something? No.
Delete the tips. Delete the tips, man. Yeah, those. What is that? Hand? Wait. I think those exist. I don't know why they're so different though. Dang. Take the model. Like, hold up. Actually, 1 second.
No, again, it got an error trying to upload it.
Just hold up.
I think I might have deleted some bone I wasn't supposed to. Like,
Oh no, don't say that. I'm gonna give you a new one here. Hold up. How do I Blender projects? Reign of Risks. Porky.
Let's see.
Joao Victor 34 followed your channel.
Thank you, Joao Victor 34 for the follow. We are still struggling with the basics here. Oh my god, let me just I'm just gonna delete and let's overwrite that one and let's load it in.
Oh yeah, look at that sassy walk. Oh yeah.
Oh. Well, that's crazy.
Oh, you got.
Why are my hands so huge? Is it supposed to be like that?
No. Wait.
And what happened to the texture? Why did it become purple?
Here, hold up. Okay.
Okay.
Yo, he uses Arch, by the way.
Yeah, look, wait. Fuck, wrong button. Ah! There, boom. That proves everything. I think my way bar is again fucked, oh my god. Let me kill it real quick. And I'm gonna launch it again. And now it should be fine. Yeah, now it's fine again. I don't know, my waybar is fucking crazy sometimes. Oh, you sent a new one?
Hell yeah, brother.
Alright, let me load that one. I will save this so we don't have anything there, and I will download. Continue downloading your friend's suspicious malware. Oh, you sent it as a zip file. Okay.
I don't know. You were It's in the texture last time, so I just gave you the texture again.
Okay, yeah. Let's see. Open terminal here. CD tubloid. Unzip. Porcupine. Alright, so let's load that in. The hands are huge again.
What? They shouldn't be. Why is the shit I like? It don't make no sense. What have you done?
I did nothing. I did nothing.
Like, look at my screen, man. It's not the same.
I did nothing. I'm telling you, bro. Using GitHub. No, I'm using the C++ SDK, and then I'm just. No wait. I'm lying. I'm using a bit of combination. Sorry. Here. Let's see. Steamworks. I'm using Mendus. Yes. But I do a little bit of funky business because that's why I said that thing. Wait, hold on. Server. It's on the client. Here, I do this to get the freaking servers. Whoops. And that requires like some vtable BS kind of stuff, so you can retrieve the responses. So I'm recreating this like virtual table from C++ to be able to do it. And that's what like I'm not even using that thing because this is just a horrendous thing I remember working with. So I was like, nah, I'm not even using that thing, but no, I'm using that one, yeah. Yeah. But I'm using theirs, yeah. Nice, very nice. Yes, it is very nice. But let me take a look again on the. Let's see. What if I were to just close that, and I will restart Blender once again? Maybe it had some metadata, cached information, and I will try to load it again. Nah, I'm getting those huge hands, man. I don't know what to tell you, man.
dude, stop giving him such huge fucking hands.
Is it bad to have huge hands? I think it's quite alright to have huge hands. Should maybe it's fine. Maybe it's fine that it has huge hands.
It's not okay.
It's not okay. It's not okay. I will just take it as is it if
No. Unacceptable.
Can I just now just do the I will do the dooba. I will save it. And we'll not save it in Porky, we'll store it in here, overwrite that one. Yeah, here we go. Ah, my ears, I mean. Ah!
My asthma.
Have you seen the you have seen it. My mango is to blow up and then to act like I don't know nobody. Man, I nailed that impression.
Crash yet, Lucas, or are you still on it?
Am I on what?
Crack.
I never left.
Damn. Okay. Well, I guess it'll be like that.
We'll say the tubloid without the animation, I think.
Okay, here. How about this?
Oh my god, another one?
Yeah.
You will never let me.
Well, yeah.
Just let the porcupine.
Based version control. Based.
Tell it to
What the
man.
fuck?
Okay, you're doing
oops,
a GOD
oops,
now.
Oops.
Good, bro.
Okay, no, that's the whole fucking scene apparently.
Okay, but that's okay. I can just delete the camera and the light and tell it to. No, I cannot.
Honestly, you know, when you export a GLTF, it's just one Python script running in Blender. We should an extension.
Oh yeah,
to
perfect. There we go.
Standardize or.
Yeah. Fuck that one. Hold up. Don't listen to that last one. It's a lie.
The Python thingy?
Yeah, the new. Okay, there you go. New one.
All right, you got a new one? Sure. experience. As you got a stroke there in between.
I swear to God, if you give him big hands again, Lucas, I swear to God.
Look at me, I'm gonna give him big hands again. I gave him balls instead.
What have you done? What are those? Okay. Hold up. What the actual fuck?
You know, I think the mix of our fuck up animations would have been better in the at this stage. Oh my
Why are
god.
they balls? I think this is a you issue. What
Me issue? I think
what version of Blender do you even have?
I
Do you
have
even update that shit?
the latest on Steam I got, whichever that is.
I think he's fucking lying. Oh my God. How like you it doesn't make any sense.
Well, it kind of does.
Oh,
It's just broken.
Oh, hold up.
Yeah, exactly.
Hold
it's
up.
making sense
Hold
now.
up.
I'm,
Oh
I'm,
my
I'm,
God, it's all
holding
making
up.
sense now. Oh my God.
What have you been doing now? Giving the wrong crack to me?
Oh, my bad,
Yeah,
dude.
that's right. It's your bad.
Hold up. It's literally the fucking same file, isn't it? Oh my God.
Okay, that's.
If we check the export script into CI, then we won't have to worry about having the right settings or anything. No, ever again.
Ooh.
You'll click on the button and that's it.
Nah, that would be
Dude, I think
crazy.
this is fucking retarded.
No, I still
Dude,
got
why
them
can't
balls.
you just give him... Dude, why can't you just give him normal hands?
Well, why do you have to give him balls?
Touche.
This.
Okay, this is it.
Okay, you got it. You got it now.
Yeah. My bad.
Now there will just be bigger balls.
Okay. I think we can work with this.
Nah, that's just balls.
What? No, that's not the same one. You're doing something wrong. What?
No, I'm telling you, these are balls.
Why are they balls? Stop giving them balls. dude, delete that. The last one I gave you was the first one I gave you. There's no way it could be balls.
Where are the balls coming from, anyways?
I don't know. This is all you, dude. Delete the
Bruh,
shit. And
I'm not doing.
import.
It's again. It's
FBX.
the
No, it's
exporter,
FBX. Okay,
Blender's
you
exporter.
I gave you an FBX last one, the new one.
What? Oh, it's an FBX. Sure. Okay, let me download that one now. Okay.
It's the one that's gonna give you the big hand. Like I don't understand.
Yeah, I got big
I
hands.
don't
now.
understand. And then the head's like small. It just doesn't make any sense. Is there like your import settings that you're doing here? Like right on the side there, on the left, on the right?
I ain't doing
What you
shit.
got here? What do you got here? Scale 1. That's okay. Hold on. What happens if I import? What the fuck? Did I get the same shit too?
Brother, I swear,
Because
this.
Blender's default GLTF export script likes balls.
Yeah.
No,
also,
no.
It likes balls and big hands. I'm telling you guys. Like the harder part is not the programming, it's to get these animations in
Lucas.
Blender. Yes. Hello? Did you say my name?
Hello.
Hello? I think. Are you there? Hello?
Yeah, hello. Look
Okay,
at
so
my
the
stream.
import's happening on my end too, dude. This is all me.
Yeah, I'm telling you, bro. It's not me. I'm doing it right. I'm just click and dropping, man.
Dude,
That's all.
this is too.
Lucas.
Yes. You want something? Can I
Look
get
at my
something?
stream.
I'm looking at. Can I put you on the big squeak?
Yeah, sure.
Let's see. Boom. What you got? What you got? What you got? Wait, you're playing like a paperclip guy on some realistic table or something. Sure.
Yeah. I made a camera controller that follows a spline and tracks the player. And...
Ah, okay. That's pretty cool. Yo.
This was I did for a game jam, but this is literally it. This is where the demo ends, basically.
Ah,
So
okay.
it's just a demo of like scenes you can make in Godot and shit.
Okay. That's pretty cool.
There's like parallax map texture on the back and stuff.
Yeah.
This was done by me. Everything except every texture, except for the character, was.
Yeah. Yeah,
Oh,
it's
right.
Godot.
Good.
Fire, bro, fire.
Don't.
It was so fire.
Yes, and it was all written in Zig. I'm just kidding.
Obviously, you custom made Zig support for Godot, so you could write it in Zig.
Oh,
I mean, custom made. I can just import C headers, right? There's a Godot.h or whatever, or GD extension.h.
You import the
You
Zig
just
with C.
I use Zig with CMake as a build system.
Well, that is cursed. Zig
Yeah,
has such
that's
a
what
beautiful
you
build system, and you go with C.
Yeah, I
CMake.
use,
Unbelievable.
exactly.
That's just wrong. I'm just saying.
I mean, it's fully compatible. You can just run shell commands out of CMake.
Well, you can do that.
So I run the Zig build.
You can do that with Zig as well. Zig build as well.
Oh yeah.
Diamond. What's cooking?
yeah, I am. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with this shit. I think this is you, dude.
Bro, you just told me it's you, bro. I cannot. This guy is rage baiting me right now.
Oh, just hold
You need
up.
to-
Oh my god.
Sneakers, I think you need to have one asset repo, and then you use the asset repo to populate a game file or some shit.
I do have like what I do actually is I have this. If you go to projects, planetary, I do have this scrap which is not pushed to the actual thing where I just store all of these. Probably should remove a lot of them as well, but I'm trying to now put the tabloid in here and then whatnot, and then the actual things that are being used by the client is in assets here then. Bam.
Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
We go. You got it. You got it. I'm deleting all of this shit. All right. You got it now. You send me a lot of. Okay, good. I will download. This is it. This is the.
This is as best as it's gonna get before I say fuck it.
Okay. Are you ready to say fuck it? Ah.
Perfect.
Must be balls.
Okay. Now just delete the tips.
Delete the tip.
Tips.
The tips. Anything that has underscore like end on it, man. It's just the tips. There you go. See hand underscore end.
Welcome to Mixem.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Well,
You'll be glad you.
Yeah, that thing. Get rid of that thing. Yeah.
Ah.
X.
Okay. And this one we
No,
keep.
that one. No. Yeah. See,
This one we
end.
remove.
It's got You see, it's got a name. No end on that one. Oh,
Okay.
That's not a bone. That's a
maybe
bone.
that's a bone.
You wanna see a bone?
Oh yeah. Show us a bone. Okay, perfect. Look at him, he's sexy.
It's sexy as fuck,
Sorry.
bro. I'm just saying that. This
I don't know
Alright,
why
hear
you
me
kept
out,
giving
hear
him
me
such
out.
big hands, man. Like I don't know what you were thinking.
Yes.
the
hear me
thing
out,
is,
alright?
what?
Hear me out, alright? You see that hole?
Yeah? Oh no.
I hear you.
I hear you. Oh god. Let me just rename these things to.
He's ready. He's ready for Mixamo. Oh my god, look at him.
It's ready for the.
Oh my god, look at him.
Let's export him for Mixamo FBX. We'll put him here, Tabloid FBX. So. Where the fuck did I put him?
Ready.
I don't.
Put him a folder up.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I have so many shits going on over there, so it's like weird. Okay. Now we can go in here. Now we can upload character, select file, enemy tabloid, FBX, select.
What's the license on these animations?
Is there a
Free.
license? Free?
No,
Free.
no, it's all
Based.
free.
Yeah, it's all free.
Peace.
It's free
But
as long
like,
as you pay for it.
It wasn't up to Mixamo. Mixamo bought this. It was like a college project or something. I don't know. It's like some people that
Yeah.
weren't Adobe made it, and Adobe bought it and then have it made. Well, they've done a couple updates in the last like year, but it was stale for a long time.
If two different meshes over, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
This is it. This is the one.
Why does he look so goofy?
Ah,
Whatever. You just need the animation. Perfect. Oh my god, this is so perfect. Create folder. What? Anim dump. Is that where you're gonna put all your anime shows?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now go to the animation tab. Get out of this fucking main tab. No. At the top. Yeah,
Okay.
click animation. All right. So the top left one, you're gonna turn that to the NLA track. No, it's NLA track, non-linear. Yeah. Okay. And then down, change dope sheet to action. Dope sheet to action editor. Okay. Now wait. Before you start pressing buttons and shit, go to make sure you're in object mode. Yeah. Click the scene. And then, like right now, you should just like press X. Actually, just press X. Yeah, confirm. Yep. You just want the now you got the data into the project. That's all that matters.
Uh-huh.
So now click the bones. The bones. Okay, now go down where it says new, but don't press new. Yeah, click the Mixamo. All right, and then now to the right. It's the other, no, too far right. It's it added a new slug. Okay, now click that one, and then click that one.
Ah.
All right, and then this is basically the process you're gonna do for every single one. And then you got the NLA track up top there. You can push it down if you want to stack them, which you're probably gonna do.
Oh,
And then you just repeat that process over and over again. And try not to press anything else, because you can kind of fuck shit up. But if you just do exactly that over and over again, you can just stack all the animations.
Okay. Do you want? I think I want a walk now. Ah, no, that would be so bad.
This assy walk, yeah.
Yeah, this one will do.
That's the one I was actually looking at earlier when I was making sure you worked in Mixamo.
Okay.
I was thinking about putting animations on them before I send it to you, but then I got
Okay.
lazy.
Okay, so and then
You just delete it. Just press no. Don't press anything, and then just X confirm. You just want to get rid of that shit so it's out of your way, and then make sure you click the bones. It's the bones. No. It'll still give you the option, but there you go.
can I rename these things to something like?
Sure, yeah, go for it. It's right there, right where you have to click. Yeah, rename it right there. Just double click.
Okay. Yeah, add that. And then can I open this one somehow? Or if I open it here, I can't rename it, I guess, too.
Yeah, you just like the ones that you push down are now their own independent thing, but like you can still view them all, right? But like once you push them down, it belongs to like, well, whatever.
Yeah. So now it's called idle. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need an attack. Kind of, it's a melee attack that I want. Slap
Got
it.
like penguin. Yeah, he's got like penguin ends.
That looks so much more aggressive. Yeah, we'll go with that. I need to check because I'm not doing this by name, I'm doing them by index. So I need to make sure that they align with that. I should probably make that the helpful function over here rather than doing it in animations over here, but I don't know. Let's see, Skelly, it should be idle walk attack. So idle walk. Oh, but these are actually, aren't they reverted order? I don't remember. Track ordering to bottom. So idle walk attack. Let's see, if it's wrong, it's wrong. Export GLTF. Go a few steps up. Too far. Objects. Tubloid. And make sure it's the binary. And then for animations, I think we would just want these ones. Let's see. Vulkan. Scalar GLB. Did I call it lowercase tabloid? Oh, uppercase. Tabloid. Let's see. Alright, then I need to... Well, I could let the boss spawn, I mean. Yeah, I think I got them wrong. How they're idling when they should be walking? I think I got them completely fucked. Yeah, I think the states are not right. I think they're in the wrong order. We can actually try this quite easily. Actually, it should be... Yeah, if I go in here... And we take this one to the up. Well, fuck me. Up. So now attack. And this one in the middle. Up. So, okay, now we'll swap the order. Let's re-export that. That should hot reload the new animation in. Yes. Ah yeah, wait, it didn't register a hot reload. Have I disabled it? It shouldn't. What? Oh, I accidentally killed the boss. I still don't have the actual aim to shoot where I'm looking, it just shoots forward from the player. Maybe I should look into that too, but I just need one to do the thing. Why is it still... Did I not override it? Let's do another export. File. 5. Export GLB. Animation, NLA tracks, tabloid. Oh yeah, it did hot reload it. I used to have so much more information going on in it, so I thought it didn't. But yeah, okay. No, now it's idling when it should be walking. What the fuck? This is just the wrong. Okay, let me do this. What if I just do? What if I just take action? Override. Nah, it's still idling when it should be attacking or walking. Why is it doing the complete wrong thing? That doesn't add up at all. What the fuck? Now it's... I don't get it. The Skelly was fine, but why would this one not be fine? Idle, 0. Yeah, walk, middle, and then attack at the top. But I feel like it's doing the opposite. Right now it's seeing that it should be walking, but it's putting it to idle, so it's doing index 0 for some reason. When it should... What? Because idle is only either it's index 0 or it's index 2.
Oh my goodness, clip 4? That's my favorite type of function. It totally tells you what the method's doing.
But the method is doing... Yeah, it's one of my to-dos to redo this thing, because it was, for me, I just remade how states works, and then I was like, fuck, I just need a way to get the... which state this one is, which clip I'm supposed to get for this entity right now. And then, yeah, that's how I do it right now. So I get the clip, and then I get the... if it's loopable or not, which is clearly what it says there. Yeah, it's really bad, but it's enough. But why can it not just... I don't get it. Because if I do the Skelly one, that one works with this information. And that one has the same order. That's it. Wait, hold on. Let's see. If I undo here, put Skelly back in. Or have I... because I recently changed how states work, so maybe I fucked it up in overall. Let's see. Yeah, there's the Skelly. And that one attacks, and then if I walk away, it puts the walk animation on. And then it attacks again. That one works, even it has the same layout. What the fuck is wrong with that thing?
Like, what is going on?
I don't get it. I don't get it.
What have you done?
Wait, let me see. Open. Recent. Do I have Skelly here? I do have Skelly here. What is the...
Save.
And the Skelly has the attack, and then it has walk.
Attack, walking,
and idle.
and then idle, right?
Yeah, the same that the other one has. Attack, walk, idle. Or had. Attack, walk, idle. Why the fuck doesn't it work though? Because it should have the exact same like way of...
Okay. Hold up. I think I know what you did.
What did I do?
I think you're only exporting. Okay, hold on. Okay, try to go to export again. Like redo the export. No, you're here. Fine. No. But select the armature and the model.
Isn't that...
just right click it? Yeah, just right click that, and then select hierarchy, and then now export.
Can I duplicate this one real quick?
Just Press the plus sign on where it's red. Or
No,
not
no,
Skelly.
no, because I want to overwrite Skelly, so I don't need to restart the application. I will just hot reload it, overwrite the Skelly.
You'll delete the Skelly and everything
Yeah, that's
it
why I
stands
want to
for.
duplicate it real quick.
Okay,
So
go for it.
I will just do it. I want to try it also. I'm curious to see if it will work. That's also the because I think it should work. Let's see. I'm gonna go into objects and I'm gonna duplicate Skelly here. Where is Skelly? There's Skelly. Copy paste that. So I have a copy of Skelly now. And now I can go in here and I will just overwrite it and let's see if it crashes or what happens. It's gone.
See you later.
It just... Okay, it was fun to try it at least. Okay, let me just delete the old and let's put Skelly back. I think it's probably because I'm doing I'm trying to reuse indexes for materials.
No,
No, not this problem, but why hot reloading didn't work.
No. You made this engine bulletproof, alright? It's
that's
not
true.
because of just some
it's
mistake.
Actually, it's the Blender
like,
export,
just...
actually. Right now, when we see it, you will see that this thing won't even be loaded right now. It's just bad. Okay, there it is.
No, he's working fine, look.
He should be attacking. He's not attacking.
Why isn't he not attacking?
And now he's idle. Like,
look,
what do you want?
He's like bouncing.
That's I don't think it works.
What have you done?
This should be the attack. This should be the walk. And this should be the idle. And it's the same order as Skelly, but it doesn't do it.
What the hell? Can you put them in the... Are they in the proper order? Wait, are you sure they're... Wait.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Wait. On the right side? No, whoa. Don't be hasty now, Master Hobbit. Merge animation actions. NLA tracks. Is that what you did wrong?
No, I will write the Skelly once again, and now I lost my Skelly. Big sad.
Wow.
Oh wait, actually I didn't. I still have it in my open recents, right? I do have Skelly blend. I do have Skelly blend. I wonder save. Thank God I have my Skelly blend. Woo! That would have been scary, man.
Whatever. It's copywritten anyways. Fuck Skelly.
And I still have it in whatever. Let's see. Client assets objects. Let me just hold right there and then. But yeah, I do have it's attack, walk, and idle, and yet somehow Tableau doesn't do it.
I think you're just exporting it wrong.
How could I be exporting it wrong?
Yeah, you go to export, blah 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 blah, and then on the
let me
pick
just
your spot. Oh, the assets go in the client. You don't send over the data through the server. Pleb. Oh, one second. Oh, my stepmom's driving to Costco. All right, actions? Right. No, you want that to be the NLA tracks.
Mm-hmm.
All right, yeah, perfect. Armature? What about armature down there? Let's take a look at that. Oh, perfect. Yep, that looks good to me. See? Perfect.
Well, this has to be a joke.
Dude, no. You're drunk. Go. You're drunk.
I need to fix a few things, but yeah.
He's coming for you. Oh my God, you're drunk.
He's coming for me. He's crazy. He's crazy. I'm telling you guys, he's crazy. Maybe we should fix the collider's capsules.
His collider is a bit big, don't you think?
Maybe. Yeah,
he's supposed to be kind of like a littler guy.
Yeah, definitely. me see. Where do I think I put the colliders in shared if I remember correctly because I didn't need them to be.
Well, shouldn't he have his own individual collider size?
Or
You
yeah.
can adjust?
That's what they do. Wait, I will if I go to the physics, which is on the server, not the client. I was dumbass. But that's the thing that I moved, so it's gonna be in here. Collider, physics collider. And there I have entity shape, collider shape. Yeah, so let's go in here. So it is in here, and then we go into root, and we go into entity. Collider shape. Here we have them. And then here we can get for every single one. So we have the Skelly, we have the Wizard, and then we're gonna change a few things. So let's close now. We're gonna change the actual data. We're gonna rename. We're not gonna use. Oh shit! Skelly is not gonna be the name of the thing anymore. Oh no! We're gonna have to I think we could probably use Claude. We can use Claude to make this renaming in all of the places. Oh yes, we could do that.
Can't you just do like a macro, or like?
Maybe I could. Wait, let me see. Maybe I can just do. Does it apply if I call it tubloid?
Do it.
Tubloid.
Yeah, there you go. Perfect. Done.
Does it do it in all places? No, it doesn't. It still has now. It's missing it in all of these places.
God. Well, just quickly go to the file and rename it.
Yeah, I have to do it in all of the places.
Damn, why doesn't it work for all the files? That's kind of not gangster at all.
It's not gangster at
Should
all.
probably open up Rider again, to be honest.
No. I should just fix
or
my...
is there a renaming?
There is something,
you
but I'm just gonna go... Plot. They renamed Skelly to Tubloid. Can you fix it? Oh, places.
Ooh, you've used 97% of your weekly limit.
It resets 6 a.m.
Oh my god.
At the same time...
I love saving water.
Yeah, me too. Should we rename the Skelly at the same time, or the Wizard to become Tubloid Wizard, or... we can call it Wizard. Bases. I could probably also just use, is it set or whatnot, seed, SSED, what is it called to do that, but I don't know, I might rename something that I should not rename, and then that happened last time, because I had like, it was some files in the, it just broke everything when I did it, it was bad.
Incompetent, we got ourselves an incompetent programmer here, boys.
How dare you. Anyways, and then at the same time we will look into the shared here, we will fix this thing player. I think player is a pretty good visual, good size. Actually we just want to put them down a bit.
Tubloid.
Let's go to Vulkan.
Fix Tubloid.
Just fix Tubloid. And let's... Why cannot... Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh my god.
Yo, what happened?
I reopen it. Okay, so the player here, I'm gonna have to put it even further down, maybe -1. And then the Tubloids, maybe smaller capsule. Let's make them skinnier, like that. Maybe I should, and then Wizard will let be like that for now.
Wouldn't that make them a circle?
No, it's capsule. Capsule have. Oh yeah, that would make them a circle.
Yeah.
Oh shit, bro. Okay, let's make them same size. I wanna see it just. Okay, I'm gonna put this one over here. Okay.
I don't know. I don't know how you calculate your capsule, but
The player needs to be a bit higher up.
yeah, it's fine. His feet kind of goes in the ground a tiny bit.
Yeah, that's
Maybe a little bit. Yeah, just
0.1.
kind of. It's better than floating. My opinion.
Yeah, true. I will just take it. What's it over 0.4? So 0.35. And let's spawn in.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that.
Oh, they look pretty
Look
good.
at the little guy. Look at the little guy.
Maybe they just have a little bit too much speed. But besides that, they are pretty good. They're pretty good, you know?
Yeah, look at him. Ice skating and whatnot.
Yeah, I need to add a little bit of friction also.
I don't know. Maybe they were just born to slide.
Or actually, like, I think 0.35 with 0. That is actually fine, but what we could do is actually go to the player offset here and change this to be 0.8 maybe. And then we could go, where do I do have to go to systems. I mean, I do I do an update here on the camera, and here I get the player. So I could say player transform. Wait, but it's the offset model that I care about. Wait, fuck. Yeah, I cannot access that. I was thinking I could just do that there directly, but no. Because this is the offset for this thing. When I initialize the mesh, that I could do only in the renderer. I want to do that. 0.8 is what I will, minus 0.8. I don't need more. Thank you. All right. So then we can go to the renderer.
Particles.
Oh yeah, I'm thinking about adding the particles. I'm wondering if how I should just do it, but it's not yet there. It's not there. It's not yet there. Not yet. Not yet.
Do it with the GPU.
Yeah, it's gonna happen with compute shaders or something like that if I do it. No, when I do it, it's called. Yeah. Draw static. I want to do it from here. We do have it, so transform. Build entities, collider shape, pen caps. Yeah, that's just. Wait, that's if I want to draw it. Damn it, I'm in the wrong loop.
Debug did not take damage.
Mode offset here. So if, damn it. At this point, it's faster just to actually restart than this. Only if I did hot load my renderer, also like the initialization, I wouldn't have to do this. I could just write it there, right there. But yeah, I thought it was nicer to just do this. It's a little bit faster also. Yeah, that collider looks pretty good.
I don't know. It seems like a hassle to jump through like 7 different files just to adjust a collider.
No, it was one file.
No, it was like 7 files.
That was because I renamed the name of the enum. The only place where I need to do it is here. This is where I changed the collider. And that works now both on server.
What about the offset?
The offset is visual representation, not the collider.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Caught lying again.
No, it's literally for this thing, brother.
Kiss your mouth with that lying mouth. There, little boy.
I will prove it to you. Look. If we go here now again to Vulkan, where I was trying to do this thing. So we could say a model dot offset position 1. We're gonna fuck it up. It doesn't matter. It's equal to, let's say 10.
6, 7. Oh,
You're gonna see like it's gonna be all of the models gonna jump out of their. Why did it do the collider as well? Whatever. Things got very weirdly offset. Don't know why these colliders should be.
looks fine to me.
Looks fine to you. Yeah, it looks fine to you.
Yeah, it looks okay.
I wouldn't say it looks
So where are you
fine.
going?
Free camera movement.
He's got hacks in his own video game.
Yeah.
Dude, that's so sad. Man, you should make Flappy Bird using your game engine.
No. Alright, this is only one offset position, that's why. It's crazy. Okay, but we got
So
your
you're not a
we
fan?
got your model. That's pretty good, I would say, right? It's pretty fire. Low Damon's model done. And now we want to fix the can, or it's the can texture, not the model.
Can he do the can?
Let me just oh yeah, there's gonna be enemies still following me. I forgot about it. But in here, let's go to player controller and let's change this thing over here to the can is speed. So I'm gonna change that. I get the speed item when I press K. So there, we got the speed, and you can say it's I don't know. At least I don't like it. Let me get a new planet so we get rid of these. They should have been gone. Okay, there, boom, and then you press it hard enough. But yeah, that's the speed, and we want to get rid of it basically, or not rid of it. I want to change it because I don't like the texture. And also Iris is not here, but how it looks like here is also wrong apparently. But oops, I picked it up. Anyways, let's fix that. Gonna start Affinity on the second monitor first because I think I might have an image I don't wanna hear on screen. Alright, let's see.
Alright, you gotta do me a favor now.
I gotta do you a favor. What do you need?
Yep. It'll only take a few minutes of your time before you get too invested in this.
Uh-huh. What's it? What do you need?
Need you to
Did I
test something.
test something? Nah.
Come on, no. All right, I'll remember that.
What do you need me to test?
I sent it to you in Discord, man. It's already. Oh.
Okay. Wait, let me. Where did I put the? Just wanna find this thing and then I will test it. I'll load it in. Oxygen.
Not included.
Not included. Yes. Let's see. Small game. That's it. I'm gonna get hacked. I'm gonna die.
No. We go back. We go way back. There's no way there's hacks involved.
Let's see.
Unless you play RuneScape, then it might be compromised.
Shit. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna go in here. Okay, now I can look at the thing that you wanted me to try. Let's see, where are... There you are. Download suspicious malware. Projects. Where is friends? There. And then I need to add a daemon directory. Save it there.
What? You didn't already have one?
Yeah, but I removed my whole project folder by accident.
Oh.
Yeah, happened.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to make some
Flappy
mini games this
Lucas.
summer.
Wait, hold on. Why does it say Flappy Lucas?
Oh well, you gotta do that thing, the X plus whatever on the 86.
Yeah.
I can't remember that Linux
Yeah.
lingo.
There, Flappy Lucas is the thing. Chmod.
Yeah, it's the 8664 or whatever it is.
It's not just plus X. I don't remember either, but
should be in the top folder. Well, this, I guess it gives you the Linux. Oh, there you go. Okay, perfect.
okay. Wait, I need to put. Is this music copyrighted?
So I can't even remember.
Okay, but then I will not enable.
Probably
Then.
not. To
I
be
can also
honest.
just not enable music so people don't hear. Like
Okay,
they can just see
yeah.
the visual. Oh my god. Wait,
Yeah, you know. There's not like an aggressive "you died," man. It's just kind of.
That's bullshit. I can't do better than.
No.
But I think it's broken though.
It is broken. It is broken. I never fixed it. The best. It keeps tallying up. Nothing resets.
Yeah, I'm so good at the game. I just keep on increasing my score.
Oh, you can't get past that one part.
No, look. My best is 12. It's just going up. 14. Dang. 15.
You're not very good at this game, Lucas.
I can't talk and play at the same time, but my score's going up.
Okay,
I don't
lock
know.
in, lock in, Lucas, lock in. Oh. Oh shit, he's locked in, boys.
Ah.
Ooh.
I mean,
Alright, thanks for playing. He just flopped to the floor.
yes.
No more effort left.
Oh wait, it resets as we go down there. Okay.
Dude, I made this like months ago. Holy shit. Months and months ago.
There's no exit button.
Yeah, you think we're making AAA games out here? No. We don't. You gotta pay extra for that exit button.
I'll put it as the wait. Brain rot here up at the top left.
Oh my god. Just your head on the floor.
Damn, bro. Let me quickly write enemies. Friction. Whatever, I get it. Fix can model, that's what I want to work on now. Let's see. Open. Save. And then we're gonna go a step back. We're gonna go back. We're gonna go to items, and there is no such thing. Just new, general, and let's just take in the energy drink. Get rid of the cube, and there we have it. The energy drink. Now, I'm not
Red Bull.
very yeah, we're gonna change that.
Did you make this?
No, it's Iris. I didn't. I would never. You can see that? Not okay. Maybe I should make a... How should I make the texture for it? Do you think I should just make a...
Damn, you should get Yuko paint, man. That shit's fire.
Yugo paint?
Yuko paint.
Yugo...
I can just send you the zip.
It...
Just in case.
Wow,
No,
I
not
should get...
not Yugo paint. It's Yuko, like UCU.
Do you see you?
Yeah,
A
hold
code?
up. It's just like it's a blender. It's a blender add-on here. I'm gonna just send it to you.
Oh, okay.
I'd make a folder somewhere that you keep your Blender stuff, and then just like call this folder add-ons, and then put this zip file in it. You don't need to extract it because Blender will load it up when it's still zipped.
I wonder if I do it... It's bad that I have source and tools because I've kind of mixed them up all the time. Which one I should... Oh wait, I do have tools. LSCD Blender. Blender MCP, I will put it in here.
Wherever.
More suspicious software from day. Yes.
Nah. Yuko Paint's definitely a must-have.
Wait, where is tools now? There. Tools, Blender. Why is it not in alphabetical order? Jesus. Save it there. Then unzip.
No. You don't need to unzip it.
Alright, I won't unzip it.
Yeah, you just go to Blender and then go to Edit Preferences, and then add-ons or is extensions?
Get extensions.
No, just go to add-on, and then the top right where the little arrow. Yeah, then local.
Oh, not installed from disk.
And then, from disk. Sorry.
Ah.
Yeah. And then just find that zip. Yeah, you added it there. Yuko Paint.
Okay. Now I do what?
Well, the UV's kind of cracked, so I would, for one... Well, you have his object somewhere, right?
Mm-hmm.
Like just because we're probably gonna fuck around here. You got a copy of his model, right?
Yeah,
He's
it's on
probably got
Discord.
the,
He sent it over Discord.
Okay,
so it's
yeah.
fine.
So
Save.
just press. You're in edit mode. You press A, and then go to the left, and then press U, and then I don't know. Let's just do the top one. See what it looks like. I don't know. Do them all. Just do them all until you find one that looks good. To be honest, just press U.
Oh, it was you.
U again. U, and then formal. Like this is all kind of like preference, and then smart. Yeah, do smart.
Oh, it's smart UV.
And then end on smart. But like where it says island margin, I normally give that a 0035. But like depending on the texture size, they might give it a gap way too big. We'll just put it like a 0.3 and see what happens. The gaps are too big. Yeah, those gaps are too big.
Ah.
I think that one looks the best, to be honest. I would just do smaller gaps, way smaller gaps.
Wait, this margin.
Yeah, that's the margin. That's the gaps.
So is this 0.02 or is that?
I don't know. It's all like it's all dependent on the object and shit. Like you always got to be fucking around with all the buttons and look. I still think that's a little too big. I do like just like half of that, like not half. Like what was the number? 2? I do 1.15. No, not 1. Like 1.5. The more like space you give everything, like it's just more detail you can put on shit, but it's not really like a big deal.
Shall we just go with this?
Fine.
Yeah.
Probably fine, yeah. Okay, and then now on the right side, go over to the right side, and then press N.
Oh.
Which
Maybe I
press-
should save this one also, so I can just save it. That's the items, and I will call this one just energy drink. The same way I call it everywhere else. Energy. Save to blend. So.
Alright, now press N.
N.
Alright, now on the right side you got Yuko paint.
Yeah.
Alright, and then I would just do the quick one right there. Yeah, okay. Alright, so now it's like, I don't know if you use like Adobe or Krita or whatever. It's like, obviously it still looks like Blender shit here, but like once you start using it, it's all the same as those art assets. So now, why can't, you want to add a layer?
Layer. Okay. Add a layer.
Add a layer. Yeah, add a layer. I would just do a solid color for your base. I'm sure you're probably going to use a couple colors, but just pick a color there where it says color.
Yeah.
Yeah, pick a color. And, I don't know. It's the energy drink. I don't know what that like. Well, what's your like main color going to be? Orange.
Red. Okay.
You should go into go to change your viewport type or something like. Just looks. I can't tell. Like you can't see what you've done. No. Like go up where it says edit mode. You can scroll the wheel like on the hold up. You're in render view. Go to like material view. That's what I'm. Yeah. No, next one. Click off.
Off.
Like yeah, off. Okay. I see. So now you got your metallic like and roughness probably just too high. I don't know. That's up to you to answer.
Yeah, no, I don't even
pretty
support the.
Okay, so on the right there where it says metallic and roughness, just turn that so it looks closest to what your game renders. There you go. Or turn roughness all the way up probably.
Oh yeah, that's it.
There you go. That's yeah. There you go. Okay. All right. Now, so now you added a solid color. Do the plus again, and then we're just gonna do a new image. Very first one.
Mm-hmm.
Right, and this is gonna be the color, but like the resolution, yeah, probably 1024. That's probably fine. Yeah, and then name it. This will be like, I don't know, your main color one. You might want to add like a second one because like if you use like Adobe and stuff, this is like layering. So it's like you can paint and then add a layer and paint over that, and then remove the layer and it goes away, right? But okay, yeah.
So
this is Yuko paint. Yeah. So this shit's kind of nice.
Okay. So now I got this layer.
And now you just kind of select what faces you want to paint on. This is the way I like to do it. So just like select any like the area you want to actually paint on. Just do a couple faces just for testing, for testing, and then now press tab or hold tab. Wasn't. Fuck, I got my shit. Okay, where it says edit mode at the top left. When I press tab, it gives me all the options. You want to go to texture paint? That's the one, yeah. And then if you go on to where you just click texture paint, it's got a little square beside it, a little white square. Click that white square. No, above it. No, above that one. That right there. Click that. Now you're only gonna paint on the selected faces that you selected on edit mode. You can see how it's
Christoph
colored.
_ rated your channel with 41 viewers.
Click. Wait. Christoph rated with 41 viewers. Thank you for the raid. Okay, wait. Should we maybe show what we're working on so people can see what why we are looking at this weird ass can?
I don't know. So maybe the guy that rated you is probably seeing like you were on Blender looking at the can.
So I want to change quickly just how the can looks within game. It's a good friend of us who created the can, but it's you can see it's from Red Bull, copied the stuff, and we just wanna change it slightly so it doesn't look like that anymore. That's what we're trying to do right now. And so okay, you were saying? You there? Are you dying?
I'm here. I said just click on the model with the brush and just paint black. Yeah, see, there you go.
Okay, I see.
Right, and then now
So
you can change the color or whatever.
Okay, wait, how do I?
Turn the value
there.
up.
No, wait, what? I want yellow.
Press X before you. No, press X. Move your mouse. There you go. Now you're on yellow.
And then how do I make a smaller size?
Press F and then move your mouse like in or out.
Ooh. Okay. I mean, I could probably do a better edit inside of Affinity to do this, but it's more artistic when it's you know, hand crashed.
There is you can actually export the UV maps too, so you can see where you're painting, but you kind of have to like kind of consider where
this is so
the spots
cursed.
are. I enjoy painting right on the 3D model though. It's always fun.
Yeah. Wait, so could I could also take in these ones, and then if I go back in here, yeah. Look at that. Yeah, this is so cursed. I love it. You clearly see this is an energy drink, right?
And then you can change the color on those. Just select all that.
Wait, how do I get the circle select? Was it like Alt, Shift, middle mouse or something? How was that?
W. Press W a couple once.
Ah.
Just press W a bunch to cycle through all of them, but like, yeah, it's. You can see at the kind of the top left of the view, you can see the symbol changing.
There should be like Alt something.
If you move your mouse over like the chunk and press L, it'll grab everything that's connected to that like object. You just move it over and just press like the tab itself and just press L.
The tab? Ah.
Yeah, you should grab like.
Ah. But that's basically what I meant, but with mouse. Okay, great. And do have this one selected, okay. Yeah, let's do this. And then I will just go back to here, and now we'll change the color to, you know, as...
And you got the paint bucket. This is where the paint bucket would come in.
Oh, the paint
bucket? So on the left, yeah, paint bucket. Now just click.
Woo!
But make sure you get off the paint bucket, just in case you fuck up. There you go.
Fire. I think that's pretty much it. We are not gonna do anything crazier than this. I think this is it.
All right, and then now, if you think that's good and gold, on the right side, you got an option. It's a little gear. Yeah, it's on the Yuko paint. Sorry, it's the Yuko paint options. It's the little gear.
Here.
Yeah. Click that, and then now bake all channels.
All right.
And then I would do samples 16. And then change bake device to GPU. I know people argue that you only need to render it with one sample, but like I don't know, it's just a couple extra samples. It's not gonna like kill anybody. And then just click OK. Right, and then now in the Yuko paint, there's still one more thing where it says you got highlight where it says use baked, and there's a little kind of like icon beside it. You want to click the icon? Yeah, click that. Okay, now you're officially locked in.
I'm locked in.
And now you can right-click the gear again at the top.
Okay.
And then you should be able to just remove the Yuko paint node. Yeah, just remove it. There you go.
Well, sure.
And then now you can go to the left side where it says image and it's got an asterisk beside it. Now on the left side, left window.
Left side, yeah, asterisk, yeah.
And then. Yeah, it's telling you the image isn't saved. So go ahead and save the image.
Okay.
And then I don't know, just save it wherever you're gonna.
Hello, Diamond. Oh wait, it's Misu, isn't it Misu? Right? You said sorry. Let's call it energy. Energy drink. Text. Energy at what is it called? UV image PNG, whatever, it's fine. Save that. Boom. All right.
Now the texture won't like theoretically get lost on you. So now you can just export it in GLF or whatever with the texture embedded in it. But
nice.
You're good to go now.
I will just overwrite it there as well, but I actually do want to export it to the actual project. Let's see. Find assets, objects, and overwrite it here. Did it not update? Wow. The fuck? Let's go to layout just and let's try again. Export, GLB, energy drink. Should recognize a. It does reload something. Ah, but the textures can't be. I forgot about that. And this is laggy as fuck because of Affinity being open. I hate it. That's okay. Yeah, it's because I don't hot load the textures. You can hot load animations and meshes, I think, but not the actual textures will be hot loaded. Damn it. That's okay. We will just restart it with.
Never learn.
Yeah, I need to. I should probably fix that as well, but you know. Because of this thing. I just. Yeah, okay, now it's smooth again. Yippee! Who was that? Where did it? It was. Damon! You did a yippee! Let me just do this real quick. More yippies. I'm trying to start Affinity on my second monitor, and it's just like taking until tomorrow to do it. No, do not store it. There, boom. Please, no lag. It's still laggy as fuck. Why does it lag so much when I open Affinity? Like, Affinity is crazy. Look at that. I don't know. Okay, I'm going crazy now. Affinity is just breaking my whole computer. It's cooking it. There, boom. Oh yeah, actually that's because of how I handle if you align your forward vector with the planet up. I actually just fuck it. I don't want to divide by 0 for length, so it's yeah. Anyways, what we're gonna do is gonna get rid of the old one. We don't need that one anymore. No? Did I? Why do I not get any suggestions on how to do things here? What the fuck? What did I remove? I don't know what I removed. I don't want this one. Yeah, good. And I'm gonna go in Blender, and we are going to go here.
Just put the image over.
We are gonna go in here, and we're gonna take the item icon perspective. And if I do this. So many yippies. And then we're gonna remove this old one. Let's take in the new one. Now that's some crazy amount of light we got on it. Yeah, this is probably good enough for the shot. Let me see. Yeah. That's crazy. Let's take that one, copy that. So this is right, still Affinity fucking me over, but it's gonna change this thing. So we're gonna put it in there, and then we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna take it down to about that size. And let me just take the same brightness settings, put them in in there. Maybe it's a bit too bright. Take it. I don't know what to do here now. Kind of want it bright, but not that bright. Yeah, that's probably good. Should I put the outline on it? Can try. Not soften. What am I doing? Fuck, wrong. I don't see shit. Because I'm putting it on the brightness.
Lizard.
Yeah, boy, let's go. And if I save this and I... Where's export? Export. Can I just do a normal export, please? There. Okay, there. Ask for location, favorites, textures. And we'll put it... Where is it? Energy drink. So it should hot reload. Look, it's gonna change. It's so small that you guys might not even see it. But let's see. Boom! It's the new texture. All that work. But now it's there. And we can just say bye to that one and we'll put this one away. Yes. Yeah. That will be good for now. Okay, let's see if we can find the new one. There should be there it is. Look how much. I think it looks fine. We could probably put like also an outline in the actual game. Jesus Christ, that is still hard to see. I guess it's slightly better. It looks almost like some kind of McDonald's and like French fries on a Coca-Cola can. Oh my god.
Looks good, ship it.
Looks good, ship it. Yeah, it's a solid 100 out of 100. I think the enemies are a bit too fast for their own speed. Like, I don't think they should be that fast, maybe. I should probably have a generic kind of stat which I want to spawn the enemies at, because if they spawn normally they have like different stats than if they are spawned by the skeleton wizard. Let me go and take a look in the enemy manager real quick. Because yeah, I spawned them here with a speed. What? 10. Let's do speed of 3. But I will just apply for the newly spawned one, not the... Does that look more like a... Yeah, that looks more like it. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. And let me go and take a look at the... With Christoph. Oh, you did the Christoph, man. Sure, thanks. How fast does the... Where is the enemy boss? There. Oh my god, it moves too low. Ah, I should fix that. I need to add that friction. I need kind of like another person playing to see like how... Well, I guess we're not even gonna keep that boss as the actual thing. It's gonna be something different, but it's okay for now. I still need to work a little bit on that animation system. It looks so damn awful. And the crosshair is still also fucked. I wanna fix that crosshair now. It has taken too long to fix that crosshair. I'm gonna fix it now. I know it's not on the to-do, but fuck, man, look at, you can, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like an outline on it where it's like, I think it's because I have exported it incorrectly, not because I'm rendering it wrong. I hope it's the reason, because if I'm rendering it wrong, oh shit, no. Let me take a look here. Cross here. Is there like a black border? There isn't a black border. How the hell do I then do it? It's in-game. Cross here, let's see. I'm gonna take this one, and there is no... Ah! No, wait, that's... I want that. Don't I? That's full color, white. Otherwise it wouldn't be that good, but that means I have something... Wait, what do I put the size on here? The size is 0. Why is there like a black seam? I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a black seam. And I don't understand where it would come from. Also, I should probably export them separately. All of those. But why? Why? Let's see if I just don't render... What if I put a different texture? Then I can figure out if it's... wow, I can't even get that. That's great. What texture do I have? The only reason why I do this is so I can have LSP, and then I don't even have LSP. It's like, great! Let's do a damage item. So that should...
Lizard.
I mean, I think there is also a black seam on that one. What if I do this? Then it should get a transparent color, and we shouldn't see the image at all. Okay. But I swear to God, why the fuck? Or is that for any... Do I have it for all of my textures? Is there like a black seam on all of them? Let me try something. What if I go in here? And we do it for the items here. We'll just do this, and I will do an else. Ah, that's great. Dot crosshair. So now we should put all of the items to crosshair. So now if you see a black seam there, now I know it's because of the... There is a black seam, but I don't know if it's because of the... That's so weird. I can't. Why? It cannot be because of the export. Or is it because of the sampler? It could be. But why is it not why do we not see it on the other ones? Why is it just on the crosshair? Because there is definitely something. It could be because of the... Let's go to render resources. I mean, because what I basically use is the same sampler. Address clamp to border. Or could it? Nah, maybe. My guess would be on this, because it is on all... No, it's actually just on the top left and left. So the top and the left that gets this problem. Right and bottom doesn't seem to have any problem. I would assume it's probably something here. But... I don't know. I'm having a feeling about this, but I'm not sure. But this requires a restart because I do not reinitialize the Vulkan renderer on a hot reload. I used to do that, but I removed it because it took so long to do even a single hot reload. I was like, that's too much. Oh, wow, that actually changed also how that looks. And it's gone. Okay, yeah, I had a feeling about it. But that I liked how it looked before everything else. Maybe I need a separate sampler just for the crosshair and to keep it fixed. I'm gonna give myself a lot of speed. We're gonna have like that's 60. Oof. Ah, fuck. Well, whatever, it's too fast to play anyways. Okay, that's easy fix. I think I will just let it be like that. I'm not thinking about doing more samplers because that will just... It will give me a headache about restructuring my whole thing about how I do shit. Until I actually get to a point where this becomes the actual problem of anything, then I will redo this thing. But until then, this is good enough. Yeah, okay. There. Boom, boom, boom. Fix scan model done. Change sampler fighters. Well, yeah, I was supposed to also change one thing. Nice. I'm blaming Harold for that thingy. Can I land on it, please? No, I can't. Okay, I'm restarting. The default color that I use for textures is actually green, which is probably not the right thing to use, but you know. Boom. New planet. Okay, let's see. What would... Yeah, I wanted to take a look at this thing. So it has a seam there, which I assume is also because of this thing. God damn, that my affinity is killing me. Damn. There. That would be my assumption, but let's see. I kind of like also it has that weird artifact glitch, so I'm not gonna care about it too much. Okay. Next thing. I think I would like to do it when Iris is here, not when he's not, because he's doing those models, and I kind of want him to see it if I were to do that change. So we're not gonna do it now. I would like to look into audio item models. Yeah, that's still ongoing. And currency loot boxes. I think should we do loot boxes at the same time with particle effects? Yeah, probably. And but range enemies and the wizard, I think we could do those. We do those now at least. I think we could try to do this. We'll go into range enemies. We could also try to make the boss maybe have a little bit of a bossy feeling, because it doesn't really have that right now. It's kind of like just summons shit, but it doesn't really attack on its own. But if I do that,
he's pretty cool. You should see him on Thursdays though.
Yeah, he's pretty cool on Thursday. He's thirsty. Let's do the tabloid save. Let's add a attack for range. What should they do when they do range attack?
I don't know.
Spells stuff.
Shoot a hyper beam out of his eyeball or his hole.
But then I need to custom animate that, brother.
What? No, just add particles.
Just make it T-pose. Yes. Let's see, we'll do a head, what is it called? Head bump, knock, what is it called? It's called head bump. And then we could make it summon a thing from its head when it does that. What the fuck is it called? What is it called when you This is bullshit. I would call it head attack. Or is there anything? Let me see. I'm trying to see if I could see. Because if I type range, I think I won't see. I should probably make some more actual also bullets kind of models. Right now I'm just using that damn cube for pro longbow pack. It's a whole pack of animations. Okay, wait, you can probably select which one you want to play, right? Is it gonna play all of them in one go? Okay. It's gonna play all of them in one go. That's great. Let's say magic. What do we find on magic? Maybe this could work. Yeah! That could work. Let's do that. And we'll put it in where's project. There. Scrap. Enemy deployed. Anim dump. Save it there. Cannot restart that one as soon as we got this. Probably the server also has to be restarted for this thing because we're gonna add a new kind and that's gonna require some data structures layout to be different. So we can't keep it that like that. Okay. Let's see. Then we're gonna go into enemies, tabloids, animation dump. Actually, I would like to do a separate one for this one. I'm thinking like tabloid melee, and then I would do a tabloid range. Yeah. How about that? So let's do save as. So tabloid, and what should we do when it's a ranged one? Tabloida. It's a ranged tabloida. How about that? I think that sounds like a great idea. And that one will have a different attack, so can I just... Oh no. Delete track. Okay, good. And then we'll load in animation dump and there. Delete that, and we can go in here. We select the thing. We add this, and then we go here. Attack range and there. Yeah. Now that's pretty fire. Let's see if I can do the thing that you did. Why is it? What the fuck? I can't. Oh my god, days. Okay, it's is there anyone that doesn't like move the root bone if you don't play an animation? You have to be joking with me. Oh my days, this is hilarious. Okay, we'll go with. It doesn't really matter, but it's funny because I just wanna work on this thing now here. Let's see. It's still called Porky. Tabloida. Let's call this one also Tabloida. Alright, we got it. And bum, 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 bum. I'm getting kind of hunger. But it's okay. We got this. Burrito. Let's see. Where's the? Am I in the wrong mode or something? Object mode? Ah, obviously I was in the wrong mode. No, still I can't see it. Shit! Diamond.
What?
Where's the thingy? The one that makes you do the painting?
It's Yuko paint. Where is it?
Yeah, where is it?
Where is it? Right there.
Is it there?
But you can't paint the armature.
What?
What are you, stupid?
I don't have the armor. Isn't this is the thing.
Right there, I see it. Yuko paint right there. Yeah.
Brother.
Yeah, you definitely were. You were trying to paint the armature. Nope. 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 You can't lie to me, man. Nope.
Undercover. Oh my god. Okay, wait. So, but how can I? Oh wait, I can open it like this. Ah, nice. And I would just like to. So, was it just quick?
Click it.
Okay.
Check. Whatever.
And-
See what happens.
Okay. Okay,
That
fire.
looks good to me.
Looks good to me. And then I would like to. Is the base layer right now here either way? I would like to just paint on top of this thing and then.
Yep. Yeah, I already did that once already, so it's like everything's good. You just add a layer that you want to paint on, and then go ahead, go to town.
Alright, I just want a.
New image.
Okay.
There you go. And then, yeah.
Okay, and then I just what was the key to?
No, I'll go. No. L's gonna like select everything.
Nah.
But click the click the tip, like press 3,
3.
3, and then kind of like I don't know, centerest tip of the tip that you can. That's not quite the center.
Oh no, the horn is like scattered across the whole thing.
No. Just click the tip.
Can I just select the whole thing in here instead somehow? Because it seems
no,
like
I chopped everything up so it was nicely kind of.
But can I just like somehow double click or select like the whole seam here and get it selected?
No. Well, okay. Well, what you can do is, man, you're gonna make this so complicated. Okay. Pick the line that you think is where you want the horn to end. Pick the line. Like press 2 on the mouse. Or not the mouse, the fucking keyboard.
Yeah.
All right, now kind of find the line that where you think is the horn's gonna. That one. All right,
Yeah.
now do Alt click, or maybe it's Control click.
Oh, it's Alt click.
There you
okay,
go.
Yeah.
All right, and then press right click, and then mark seam.
Marks freestyle edge.
Mark
is it?
seam. All right, okay, and then it's gonna make it red. So now click off.
Okay.
All right, now press 3. All right, now press L.
Oh. Okay.
All right, and then you can do that with the other horn.
So I go 2
Press
and then
2, yeah.
Is it there? I want?
Find whatever. I don't know. Just find whatever line.
Yeah. And then that, and then right click, mark seam, and then I can go in here and I can press L. What?
You can press L on both the horn. The mouse has got to hover over it. You weren't.
Oh.
There you go. Then L, and then L. There you go.
Okay, I think I want one more step in here. So how do I undo?
You gotta like highlight the edge again, all of it. There you go, and then clear seam.
Ah. Okay, I'm getting it. Oh shit. Yeah, boy.
I know. Seams are kind of like mainly useful for like doing the UV maps, so you can kind of make sure nothing's like stretched and warped. so you can texture things out, but it also lets you kind of like grab island margins if you wanted, just like how you like separated it. But
That's crazy.
All right, now you go to texture mode.
No, I'm still wanna do a little bit of. Thinking maybe scaling, but for some reason they go out when I maybe it's cool. Maybe that's cool.
Oh, he's not good enough for you, eh?
I'm kind of getting the weird feelings here, you know.
Poor Porky getting porked up.
That's probably good. Okay. And then we can also
keep going.
No, I wanted to add that to the selection. Not like that. Yes, I'm so smart. Holy fuck. Okay, now I want to give it some beautiful colors.
All right, I don't know why, but when I hold tab, it gives me all the options. I don't know why it doesn't for you. For you, it just goes to object mode. Mine, it just like it pops up a radial menu. I can just pick one of those. It's super useful.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta press the square. Oh no, Control Z. Yeah, the square. There you go.
Oh shit! I don't think it's. I think those.
That's because you stretched out the texture.
Yeah. I need to add a little bit of a.
You'd have to like remap it. No, you gotta remap it.
No, I can just add a what's it called? Control R. Yeah.
No, that's not. That's not what. That's not.
It's not. It is enough. It is enough. Look, bro. Trust me, bro. I know what I'm doing. I can add it on both sides at the same time. It's good enough. Like so. There, boom. It's done. And then L and L. And then we'll do that and that. And then we'll go save it. And then we'll go to textures. We'll go here and then we'll boom. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I think it looks pretty cool actually. We'll go with it. It's an art.
Adds a little bit of feeling to it.
Yeah, but I don't want this color. I want something more like was it X to change? Yeah. Sure. Yeah, we'll go with that. I look so cursed. I love it. Now they just need a tail or something. That would be pretty fire. Let's go with this. Let's go with this. Export.
Oh, you're gonna need to bake that to texture.
It was this
Not
thing.
that one. That one, yeah.
And then it was
Bake all channels.
bake all channels.
GPU. I don't know why I didn't. And then, yeah.
Boom, and then it was this thing and
No, you gotta. That one up one.
this one.
Up that one. Then now get rid of it.
Remove. Yeah.
All right. Now it's all good.
Fire. Okay. Export. GLTF. Clients, assets, objects, and Bologna. And make sure that we use Tippy. It's time I use Tippy. Did I fuck up the? It should be idle walk attack. idle walk attack. Yeah. Good. And then it was the NLA, and that's it. Boom. Now we got that. Now we will go into here, and we have the enemy, and we want the enemy kind to have Tubelonian. Tubloida. Oh my god, Tubloida. Now we have Tubloida. And that will now complain in all of the places where we need to take care of that kind of case.
Alright, man, have fun. I'm out of here.
Alright, take care, bye-bye.
Bye.
We're gonna start working on, and there's no LSP. Thank you, Damon, for joining us. That was Damon that left, and there should be a problem, but it's telling me that there is no problem. It's fucking hell. I hate it. Okay, now, boom. You can go in here. Go to Tubloida, and what we'll do, if it's a Tubloida to update, it will do nothing. Not a single thing as of now. Because this will become something at some point. And collider shape, right, we need to add a Tubloida. It will have the same as this one. I think. Do we want it to be slightly different? They are the same size and whatnot, so you know, should do Tubloida, it's that, and that's it. Then we can go to the client, and if it's that, or if it's a Tubloida, damn. From kind Tubloid model, we can add a Tubloida model. And we need the Tubloida. Then in here, we're gonna add the Tubloida model. I swear to God, I hope I called it with a capital A. And that's fine. And then we cannot call it. My LSP is taking some time to recognize the new change. There, boom. Let's see if it runs. There's no way of spawning them right now, so we have to still do that. But that's quite easy. We can go into here to player control. I should be able to do it. Player. Why is there just right. Why is this in there should be a player control. Why doesn't it just okay, it's really cooked. My neovim is cooked as fuck. Anyways, instead of spawning a speed potion, I'm just gonna change this to be a Tubloida. And that should be taken care of from there. Maybe not that fast. Let's also change the speed here to B3. I should probably have a default kind of thing that you could do. But okay, anyways. So now if I go in here and press K, we should get a Tubloida. Why am I not getting a Tubloida? Nothing is being spawned. Where's my Tubloida? Let me do a Tubloid. Okay, well, Tubloid happened. Why didn't Tubloida happen? I hate if it's a silent thing. I would rather have it crash. So I probably have done a silent thing some. Hello, Kyle. That is actually, well, it doesn't really matter about that because they have the same size anyways. Let's put it at position, not here. I think I will put it at the player position. Player transform that position. You have a question? Just ask. You ask your question. Ah, there's Tubloida. Now, Tubloida doesn't look to feel good. I'm just saying. That doesn't. Tubloida, you don't look good. It's also it is loading the wrong thing, because that's not it. That's not the model it should be using, which is weird because I'm pretty confident what I have exported, loaded, are the right things. Yeah, 100%. So why the fuck is it not doing a Tubloida, but a Tubuloid with a fucked up, well, I got the collider right. Except for that it's flying. I think it's because of the animation being weird. Now, we can actually see that the server recognized it as a... I'm gonna spawn another one. We should be able to push them away, yeah. Oh god, yes. The walk animation makes it feel worse. For collision, what physics do you use? I'm using Box 3D. It allows for... I used to use Jolt, but then Box 3D came out, and I switched to that, and it's so much better. If you go to physics, it has such a much... It's just superior, alright? I'm just saying. But, like, if I change here, the gravity to go up, like, look how fast it will take effect on the... Like, there it went. For some reason I'm not... Okay, I need to move. Okay, I don't think that's Box 3D's fault. I think that's mine. But, you know, it's pretty... Jolt used to take so long, and you could feel like a freeze, like when a change happened. Like, all clients froze for a while. And it was so bad. But, okay, Jolt is good. Don't get me wrong. But, what I'm trying to do, Box 3D is superior. Why did you change? Because yeah, I think it's Jolt is also C++, so it has also this weird. I had weird, like, where did these come from? Maybe it worked all along. I just didn't see them. It's hard to implement Box 3D. Ilya, no, I actually just I had the whole base was written with Jolt. And I actually just let Claude, I said, translate these endpoints to Box 3D, and it just one-shot at it. It took like less than an hour, and it just one-shotted it. I was like, ah, great. I didn't put much effort into looking into it, because I was just like, I want to try it real quick, and then it actually just worked. I was like, whoa. And then I tried to do the hot reloading and tweaking a few parameters to make it good. And it just worked. I was like, what? But yeah, so, but it has less setup. I actually, in overall, it removed a lot of setup jargon for me to do with, like, this physics file. It used to be like twice as long, and that's because most of it was just a Jolt setup stuff, which was horrendous. But yeah, that's it nowadays. But I think Box 3D has... It's written in C, right? So it shouldn't be that complicated if you really wanted to put your time into it and figure out how all of the functions work. For me, it wasn't really... I was like, I already got the physics that I need. Could you just translate it? Yeah, Box 3D is written using C, yeah. So I was like, just do that, and it's just really nice. It removed a lot of, like, because with Jolt I had to create, you kind of have to, like, initialize it with specific kind of setups, instructions or whatnot, and then it's just, I don't know, man, I didn't like it. And for a long while I just also leaked memory, because I used a Zig binding for it, which leaked it with hot reloading, because C++ it used some, what's it called? My hot reload loads a new binary file, right? And then in C++ they stored a lot of, like, just virtual tables or virtual functions, they're stored in, well, the binary. And something got stored there that shouldn't have been there, or, well, it should be there if you use C++. But then, because when I hot reloaded, it got deleted, so I couldn't get... It was just bad, okay? So I leaked memory when I hot reloaded, and I couldn't fix it because just how it worked. I was like, great. But with Box 3D, that doesn't happen anymore. It's so nice. Or at least what I'm aware of. Maybe there happens something I don't know about. But it's so far it's pretty good. And it's faster. I find it to be faster. But why are these now looking like they are? They shouldn't be looking like that. Why are you looking like that? You shouldn't be looking like that. You should be looking like this. Did I just deploy the? I don't know what to do about that, because that's a bit weird. I mean, it could happen if I, by accident... Let me take a look here real quick. So I spawn it to Bloida, give it to Bloida Collider, and then in the spawner, I create the collider. Pending spawn. Or that's spinning despawn. I'm down, but should spawn. Did I get rid of the... I did. No, pending spawn. Why do I have it still if I don't? I just append it, but I already created the thing. I don't even use... What the fuck? Oh, this is an artifact from when I used to do... No. Oh my days. Wait, there's no way. Pending spawn. Yeah, it's literally just DINit and append it. That's great. That's good. Good job. Good job. That's I think nobody will miss it. And I removed the wrong one. That's great. That's okay. Don't worry about it. But let's see. Then it goes to the network manager. And the network manager should just send that... Why am I getting all of the... It's weird. Anyways, it will send all of them. Thanks, I just learned Blender a little bit. That's awesome, that's awesome. Blender is really nice if you could use it. I can't. Let's see. We're gonna do spawns here. I do just send it as it is. Like, I don't do anything weird. Spawn packet. And then... Yeah. That should just... Nothing weird should happen. Then we have Bloida. But if it's on this side, I can just do this. I made an object. It was easy. That's great. What kind of object did you make? Why is it frozen? Oh. Did I actually happen to spawn right in the center of the planet and now I cannot move and I can't get... Oh my god, you have to be joking. Okay, now I don't know what happened. But, okay. Okay, anyways. Let's spawn it to Bloida. Still spawns this fucked one for some reason. An Earth, you made an Earth. That's awesome, awesome, awesome. How realistic was it? Bloida to Bloida. It's loading the wrong... wrong. What's it called? The wrong animation for it for some reason, which is super weird because I'm not providing, or like the wrong mesh and everything. Well, so weird, so weird. Well, I'm not doing a static one, but skeletal continue. 70%, 70+%. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Skeletal. And then draw skeletal. Animation, model matrix, inner spline, int, node, skin ID. That should be the only reason where it could go wrong, I'm thinking. But it even draws like the complete wrong. Emit node. Push mesh. Render resource get mesh ID. Node mesh. Skeleton node mesh node ID. Like, this is the only place where I could, because it's not even rendering the right. That's funny that it's not dying from that. Am I just missing it? Can I kill that thing? I can. Don't know why it's not. Ah, two of them. There's no cooldown on this. That's hilarious, damn. Why? I don't think am I? Nah, if I did the export wrong, I would see that the horns would still be there. So I think I'm just loading something incorrectly here. That's weird, because the reason why I use these enums is so I can't do those wrong. Maybe I did a typo of tabloid and tabloid. Tabloid, they have the same. Tabloid. They have the same, that's fine. But they should have different. When you try to get them, they should have different model loaded in memory. And then it has a skin. That's weird. That should literally like be fine. Unless if I'm actually just loading. Wait, let me see. Online loader GLPF. Because if I'm actually just exporting wrong, then we would see it in here as well. Drop the file. I do not have it. Wait, go objects, Floida, GLB. Yeah, no, it should be there. It should look like that. This one has some face orientation wrong. Can I change that? Oh, we can play them at the same time? Why? Where is it going wrong then? It's really hard to see. Could I just load it? Well, that's basically what I'm trying to do, is just load a static one of it. I'm not even giving it any logic. Let's see, when we get a spawn, let's go to the network and see what happens when I get a spawn event. So, spawn entity here, unknown, then I will do that, but here we will do a... Should I do more? Pending spawn, and I go within spawner. And then in spawner, I do check. It's an enemy. It's teleportable, so just give it that. It's kind of dumb, but. And then enter the kind ID, attach skeleton. What do you do here? From kind. And here I could understand if it gave the wrong one, but these ones are connected accordingly. So. I'm pretty confident that this should be fine. So why is it not? Let's see here. std log debug spawned. What can I get? Spawned entity dot. Can get kind. I need to fix those bullets so they can actually shoot where you're looking. Like I can't even hit the thing. You're joking. What? Okay, I don't know. I need to look into that. That's weird. Did I do a typo here? Yeah, I did. Okay, there. Let's see. So if I now go in here and I spawn one, yeah, it's a enemy. Oh yeah, that's okay. I need a little bit more information than that, but it's okay for now. Let's go to spawn and then here get the actual enemy. Let's attach that. So let's see, what does it attach it to from kind? Yeah. Spawned. Can I do it in? I cannot do it really in here. But I can do it in here. Yeah. Renderable. No. Model from kind. I don't know what I'm. Whatever. Model dot from kind. Kind. Okay. Tubloida, yeah, it does get Tubloida from it, but how does it then do the complete wrong? So we do get Tubloida all the way until here still. But then I'm not rendering it correctly. That's so weird because it should be freaking impossible. What the fuck? Enter the kind. Nah, I cannot see it. And we do export it correctly and we do load it in correctly. I think so. But yet it's looking like that. And that can only happen if we are using the wrong model. But it gets the right model from here. What? I mean, I could do an intentional deployed here. And now it looks alright. Nah, you're joking. Even that's actually classified as a tubloida, but it just has the wrong. How? How? Something is funny here. Something is very, very funny. I can't tell what it is. That's crazy. Crazy how funny it is. Let's see. It's probably something where I hard coded it by accident or something like that. Because this is this shouldn't happen. Or hard coded is not bad, but like not made it explicit like with the I do with the enums here. Because this is the reason why I do them, so I can't fuck these up, but yet I fuck them up somehow. Maybe it's somewhere where I was still halfway of implementing this thing. Brother, this is dumb. I'm just bored right now. Sorry. I can't get it. Why? I'm actually a bit hungry also. But it shouldn't be a problem. I don't get it. I don't get it. Nah. Animations, clip for tabloida should return the same. It shouldn't matter. No, it should be the same. I could also put player in here, it should be fine. Clip desired. But from here it's just using what already exists. Or what we got from the clip. So why would it now... I don't get it. Nah. I gotta go eat. How many are watching here still? 17? Sure. Okay, let's do a raid. I think I will continue tomorrow. Who should we raid? Who do you guys think? We will fix the thing tomorrow. Wait, how do I actually like verify there's information I can't show here? I don't know. I think raid I can show, right? Who shall we raid? Advanced C program on Linux designed an instruction set is it assembly architecture? What? Yeah, I think we'll do this. This sounds pretty good. All right, I will send you over here. Take care. See you guys later. Bye bye.